How to travel with an infant on Rex Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how we can travel with an infant on Rex Airlines. So how do you travel with an infant? The first step is to log in into your Rex Airlines account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the section where you can see booking flights. So while booking this flight, you selected your location, your destination, your travel date. Other the passengers, ensure you indicate that you have an infant. Okay, include it to the number of passengers. Okay, this is very essential. So after including the time and the infant and the number of infant you're traveling with, and you selected the travel date, click on book now and then continue with the booking process. Okay, then the next stage, after booking your flight and indicating that you'll be traveling with an infant, you also have to indicate while checking in. So at check-in, inform the staff that you are traveling with an infant. Okay, let them know that. And then Rex Airlines provides safety harnesses for infants, which can be requested for at check-in or from the cabin crew during the flight. And you're also allowed to bring infant food for consumption during the flight. So the two things that you must take note of is that while booking the flight indicates that you are bringing in an infant, and while checking in at the airport, inform the staff in order for you to get the safety measures that Rex Airline provides for your infant. So that is it. It is very simple. Thank you for watching and have a good day.